The frameworks that I introduced throughout the book is actually the frameworks that I built over time. It's my ACC model. It is the fabric of really getting to the workplace culture flow, that roadmap. It includes the employee empathy mapping. You think about employee empathy mapping, think about like defining your persona or your avatar. What do your employees think, feel, see, say, do? All of those elements help you further analyze where you are in alignment with your mission, vision, and especially your values, how you define those things. How do they show up inside of your workplace culture? Who are the right people to attract into your culture? So when they're attracted, they actually are hydrated because you're creating systems and flows and rewards and above and beyond the policy, that feeling, that atmosphere around that persona, around that employee empathy mapping. Your training and development is around that. So you're creating and curating that all around that atmosphere, your roadmap of your workplace culture. That's the system and the model that I've created over the years that I realize that I've always done when I work with leaders and teams in a very practical way. So throughout the book, you get these frames and these nuggets, and then you also have it at the very end. There's whiteboarding sessions that you're going to hear me talk about that I take Carrington and Sons through. This is through the vein and through the model. And so you have a little bit of that throughout the front of the book. And then you definitely have that in the blueprint in the end, summating all of it together. So ACC as a frame is how are you analyzing? How are you creating, which holds that whole piece and that whole atmosphere together, which keeps all the data analytics that you're measuring that you need for a healthy, sustainable company culture in the green.